Let's get right into it. Canceling an order on Amazon is a breeze, and it's crucial for taking control of your shopping experience. First, navigate to the Amazon website or open the Amazon app on your phone. Look for your account often. The account icon is located near the top right corner of your screen. Click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu, and you're going to click on Orders. This is where you'll find your entire order history. On the Your Orders page, you'll see a list of all your recent purchases. Scroll through until you find the order you want to cancel. Make sure the order you're canceling hasn't yet shipped, which is critical. Look for the status of your order. It should say something like not yet shipped, preparing for shipment, or ordered. Directly to the right of the item you want to cancel, there's the Cancel Items button. This button is your key to canceling the order. Click the Cancel Items button. A new window will appear here. You'll be able to choose the items you specifically want to cancel. You'll see each item listed individually with a box next to it, so you can select each item in the order. Tick the boxes next to the items you want to cancel. If you want to cancel the entire order, make sure all the boxes are checked. Then, at the bottom of the items list, tap or click on the Cancel Selected Items button. And that's it. You should then see a confirmation screen that your order cancellation was successful. Amazon will usually send you a confirmation email as well. Remember to check your email to verify the cancellation. Now get back to your online shopping, knowing you're in control.